Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the language in Adobe Express. Whether you are working on project for a client in different country or simply prefer to use the app in your native tongue, this tutorial will show you the steps to get it done. Let's dive in. To change the language in Adobe Express, first thing you will want to do is open the Adobe Express. If you are not logged in, you can log into your account. After that, look for profile icon or your initials in top right corner of the screen. Click on that icon. You should be able to see a drop down menu. From there, select Settings or Preferences. In Settings menu, you should see an option related to language or local, and you will be able to select your preferred language from the available options. Once you have chosen your desired language, it will automatically save the changes. Adobe Express will then update the entire interface to reflect your new language setting. And that's it. You have now successfully changed the language in Adobe Express. Remember, if you have any other Adobe apps or services linked to your account, the language change may also apply to those. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.